Okay, when you receive your YFF520, okay, turn this digital panel anti-clockwise. Okay, then you insert your battery, put it back, turn clockwise, so it will be straightened up. Okay, the default, touch the panel, default 1, 2, 3, 4. Press the key, open. So now you can open up. Okay, how you change the pin? You more button be inside. Press once. Okay, light up. Now you can key in your pin. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Example. Then you press your enter. Now you see enter. Okay, lock it. Touch the panel. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Press the key, open. So now you can open. Okay, how you add this fingerprint? Very simple. Again, inside, press once. Press once. Press 3. Press enter. Press your pin. Press enter. Now you see finger. So you can key in your finger now. Once, you'll hear beep. Twice, beep. Again, enter. So now you already set your finger. Lock. Activate. Just tap, open. Okay, you can in fact delete everything. That means delete your fingerprint. All you have to do is behind the door. Okay, just press one time. Press enter. Press 3, press enter, clear. So now you can try, lock it back. The sound is this finger. Okay, you can now. Okay, that's all. Thank you.